In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to compress your videos using Clipchamp to make them more manageable without losing quality. Let's dive in and take one step at a time to ensure you have a smooth experience during the compression process. First, open your preferred web browser and navigate to clipchamp.com. This is where we'll be performing all our video compression tasks. If you already have an account, go ahead and click on Sign In located on the upper right corner of the home page. If you haven't registered yet, you can sign up with a new account. However, in this tutorial, we'll proceed with an existing Microsoft account. So click on Continue with Microsoft to log in swiftly. You'll be prompted to select your Microsoft account, so choose the one you want to use. Once you've successfully logged in, you'll find yourself on the Clipchamp homepage. From here, look for the option that reads Create a New Video. Clicking on this will take you to the Clipchamp video editor where all the fun begins. You'll see a dashboard. Now look for and click on the Import Media button. This feature allows you to bring in the video you want to compress. Select the video file you need from your computer and click Open. Your video will begin uploading to the platform. With the video uploaded, you need to place it on the timeline for editing. Simply drag the newly imported video file from the media library and drop it onto the timeline. This action allows you to perform various editing tasks, including compression. Now that your video is in place, your next step is to export it in a compressed format. Look for the Export button, often found at the top right of the editor interface. When you click on it, you'll be prompted to choose the resolution you want for your output file. To ensure good quality, choose the 720p option. This resolution is typically suitable for maintaining video quality while reducing file size significantly. Finally, after choosing your desired resolution, Clipchamp will automatically start the export process. Once completed, it will save your compressed video file directly to your computer. This makes it easy to access whenever you need it. Remember, if you want to keep the highest possible quality while still reducing the size, 720p is often the best compromise between quality and size. And there you have it, folks, a simple yet effective way to compress videos using Clipchamp. This process makes managing your video